Winter wear vlog. Try to understand this little story. The vocab is taught afterward. Vocabulary review. Scarf. The A hand shapes twist and go over the shoulder. Like this, a scarf. Scarf. This is a hat. The flat hand. Hat. This is what? A coat. The A hand shape with a thumb up, coat. Coat. Color. Color. This is black. Black. The one hand shape, black. Or like this, black. The finger twists back, black. Gray. Sort of like this color over here. Gray. White. White. Like part of the colors here. White. White. This is what the movement is like. White. Lost or lose. Lose. Search or look for. To look for something. Search or search. It can be two or one-handed. Search or search. None, meaning don't have. So it's like an O, none, or not have none. Don't have any of something. Match. So it's the 5-hand shape with bent fingers, palms in, coming together. Match. Make. The S hand shape, the hands start together and then come apart and together. Make. 1, 2. Make. Knit. The 1-hand shapes are like knitting needles, twisting against one another. Knit, or knitting. Mother, or mom. Mom. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Now I'm ready. Bye-bye. Now watch the vlog again to see how much you understand. Turn on sound or captions for English support. To slow it down, use the YouTube video menu. Hello. For winter clothes, I have a coat, black, a black jacket, a scarf, gray, and white. The colors are gray and white. Gray and white, both. So far, for many years, I've had a favorite hat. My hat was my favorite. What color? Gray. I liked it. Really, it was my favorite. But what happened last year, my hat, I lost. I lost it. I looked and looked. I don't know where it is. Very sad. This year, I have the scarf, but I don't have the hat to match it. Don't have. My mother, what did she do? A new hat she made for me. She knitted a hat to match the scarf. Pretty good, right? My mom made this, a new hat for me. Now I have both scarf and hat. Warm. Thanks, Mom. Now I'm ready to go out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to learn more ASL, don't forget to click like plus subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.